बेटा हूँ करेंगे अब मेरे से बात नहीं करनी, ये मैं काम कर रही हूँ, बहुत अहम काम है।
पापा ने आपको ये वाला काम क्यों सिखाया है?
मैं करूँ?
सिखाया तुमने?
क्यों सिखाया है? चलो आज आपके पापा को कहते मुझे मत सिखाओ। ठंडा है, पी लो फिर मैं पीती हूँ। Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you today? Good evening and have a nice day. Today we are today Gay.io gave him a project launchpad puffers. Katte Pette, hello, hi, how are you dear? Welcome, join my live channel. Thank you so much. Katte Pette gave me time. Uh, अरे चुप कर ना नहीं सुनो. Thank you. How are you? I'm fine and I'm good. Thank you so much. Give me red flowers and heart. Thank you. Okay, so guys, this time we are discussing Launchpad. This project supports USDT subscriptions. Your available amounts in 0.06, 358 USDT. Durations days 0 days 23 hours 24 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay, participants 20 635 and total allocations 1 billion PFVS. Total commented 49,676 149 USDT. Okay, and subscription details launch. And current holding USDT 0.27 and cap per subscribes PFVS 10 thousands. Okay, and PFVS powers project introductions, powers are meticulously craft gamify project by the former Xiaomi gaming teams and Pam, Pam, Pam hash 039 as software division centers on vibrate 3D virtuals world, breaking away from traditional signals character design powers emphasis and pam. Okay, etc. I am pam cool. Though diverse roles combinations allows players to choose from a variety of characters. It services to serves and innovative breeds seamlessly connecting. Okay, and Ether high founders I graduated from St. Joseph's University in the United States and previously serves as senior products managers at Xiaomi, where he led overseas launched and IP developments initiatives. He also held the roles of head of overseas publishings at Axonial Interactives Networks Technology. Call it okay, and prior to that, he was operations managers at U9 Games and head of overseas operations, overseeing daily operations and strategic release planning. Okay, informations for Launchpad and 10 billions PFVS Launchpad. Okay, sorry, launch information for Launchpad 10 billion PFVS Launchpad 100% unlock rules high light visions powers expects to create a fantasy carnivals built on a decentralized economic ecosystems with not only Web3 technology and concepts to multiples using scenarios is both the meta world and the actual world. Okay, economizes token economizes our token utility serves in three ways: games, platforms, and we structure stacking to allow deeper engagement in the POOF echo with a complete closed loop economic models to output stack burn and buyback for ensuring the long term and stable development of POOFers. Tokens allocations strategic sales 100% 500 sorry 10% 5% TGE 6 months cliff visiting squares over 24 months private sale 10% 10% TGE 6 months cliff visiting currently over 18 months advisory 55% 12 months cliff visiting monthly over 24-month marketing of 30.5% uh, 12 months cliff visiting monthly over 24 months marketing 30.5% 20% TGE visiting monthly over 6 12 18 months 1 IGO to community 1% 10% 100% TGE liquidity pool preserve reserves 8% 50% TGE visiting and rarely for 12 months play to errors 18% wasting over 36 months wild farming 6% wasting over 36 months eco growth 16% 6 months cliff village wasting monthly over 24 months team 12% 12 months cliff wasting monthly over 24 months. Okay, Get.io Launchpad adapt buffers PFVS token sale details announcement 9 5 month 2025. And in order to further enhance user experience, optimize product services and better support the early development of promoting projects, Get.io starter prime will officially be upgraded and remanded to Get.io Launchpad. The first launchpad project Puffverse PFVS is about to launch its commitment round. Users can commit USDT to reserve PFVS tokens, providing them with an early participation opportunity to share in the project growth dividends. Okay, dividends and comments now and below the subscriptions guideline for Puffverse PFBS. Please read carefully subscriptions based information. Project name Puffverse, token symbol PFBS, comment uh, and commandment price 1 PFVS equal to 0.07 USDT. Total commanded tokens 10 billions PFVS. And commands method USDT commandment and maximum tokens limits per users can earn 10,000 PFVS. Commandment time from May 30 May 2025, 3 May to 13 May 2025 to 16 May 2025, 12 UTC. Distributions time will distribute it on Gate TGE date. Spot trading time before the end May of unlock method 100% unlock. Okay, and subscriptions rules eligibility. User must complete identity verifications and meet the minimum investment requirements to participants. Subscriptions methods: users can subscribe uh, users can subscribe using USDT with a minimum subscription of 1 USDT amount to be obtained. The systems will fairly distribute token based on the proportions of each user's investment amount of tokens obtained. Personal investment amount, total investment amount of all users, total subscription amount, token distributions, token investment during the subscriptions will be locked and cannot be withdrawn during the subscriptions periods. After the subscriptions ended, the systems will deducted the actual obtained projects tokens from the user. Investors funded and refund the remaining funds if the actual amounts of tokens obtained is less than the investment amount. The remaining investment funds will be unlocked after distributions and automatically refunded to the user's spot account. If the actual amount of tokens obtained is less than 0.00001 tokens, the tokens will be distributed and the user investment funds will be fully refunded. Price and price: if the average price of 24 hours after listening calculated on the basis of the hourly closing price is less than 0.07 USDT, Gate.io will refund 100% of the subscriptions funds. Users who fulfill the following conditions: the user participations in the subscription, the users agrees returns to subscribe PFVS tokens. Not users who have already made profit on their subscriptions are excluded from the return. Okay, participation process: web login your Gate.io accounts and complete identity verification. Click launch and select launchpad. Choose the projects you want to participate and click comment no. If you enter the commitment amount and confirms AWP, please upgrade version 6.58.5 or above. Login yours Gate Get.io accounts and complete identity verifications to type Erlang and select Launchpad. Choose the project you want to participate in and community comment no. Enter the commitment amount and confirm project details. Puffers PFVS introductions. Puffers is a Disney like Dreamland of the 3D with metaverse that aims of connect reality in web 3 and the reality in web 2 with more than just a fun party game and a good game platform. Perforce PFVS project basics according to officials disclosures by performers PFVS. For details please refer to the official Powers PFVS website. Number one, token full name, Powers and token Chinese name NA and token symbol PFVS and token supply 1 billions and token type Ronin and contract addresses contract addresses. This is a contract addresses and tokens allocations, token allocation unlocking rules and strategic sale 10% 5% TGE amounts clipped visiting coordinator for 24 months private. This is information I'm already explained you and other explanations official websites this is the official websites. Okay guys, this is a official website but official website page is not open this time. So next uh, Twitter. Okay, X Twitters. Okay, X Twitter page is not open, not available. Discord. This is a Discord. Okay, and TGE tag. All page is not available, not open this time. Okay, we have no time. White paper. Next discussion. Our next discussion is white paper. Powers intro. Powers is our daily dreamland of the 3D metaverse that aims to connect virtuality in Web 3 and reality in Web 2 with more than just a fun party game and cloud gaming platform. The information in this white paper is subject to change exchange content related to future services availability, use cases of tokens or futures performance and value shall not be introduced as a commitment made by powers or any other person organization mentioned in this white paper. तुम्हें क्यों परेशान करने में क्या नहीं पानी खत्म दीजिए get start download PUBG for the fun equal role royal party game and download PUBG to control your chain. Adjust Puff by NFTs, Puff by Genius, by Puff Football, by Puff New Year's, by Puff Astronaut. What are the NFT? As check here's. Uh, contact contact us. Here you find a list of our official social media channels and comment communities, twitters, twist by powers and matter powers below mediums. Powers redefining with powers or on a medium. uh, Everyday powers and thousands of other voice reads write and share important stories on Medium. Discords, join the Power Discords and service telegrams, announcement channels, Powers, English Powers, Globals, Instagram, and TikTok, Puff Metaverse, YouTube Powers, and next audit. Puff has done audit by Salwa Security and Kartik Salwa Security Pentest on Puffdons and PuffGo officials app, Citrix contracts, Puffers finals, Puff newly newly added and previous next. Roadmap. Please note that the roadmap only represents what we can predict at this point, so it's possible that we change priorities according to the market and feedback from the community. We will do anything to ensure the possible experience for our users. 2022 startup character setting, UI, UE, and icon design, development, social media building, PuffGo alpha versions, Puffrims, and PuffGo football beta versions. 2023 PuffGo Web3 test and optimizations task version. PuffGo launches Puff One app launch for sport vote chart system marketplace in game tokenomized circulations with USDT test. Puff on mentals, Puff tone optimizations, friend system, email system, ranking system, team requirements systems, MPC, email system, ranking system, teams requirement system, MPC valids integrations, and Puffwords 3D words and warm up optimizations. Questions 2 2024 funding and participations, and question number 3 2024 to the moon. uh, 2024's gaming platform participations in Intel Gaming offering or engaging fundraising funds, token launch, offers, and others. Media Kit 2B updates previous and BRUN finished. The events has been finished. All major products and zest of powers have been migrated to the Roin networks toward BNB chain and Ethereum POF NFT holders support. They can obtain corresponding rewards by burning their NFTs on BNB chains and Ethereum. The details tutorials is as follows. Okay, how to burn of NFT S on BNB chain. Visit the burn page of Puffwords official website. And click connect wallet at the spot light right corners to connect to yours on chain wallet addresses. Okay everyone, Bitcoin white Tour, welcome, hello, hi, how are you today? uh, you will switch to the BNB chains automatically offer entering the NFT burn page. Please continues with the burn process after the network is switched to the BNB chain. Okay, and all your puff NFT on the BNB chains will be automatically selected by default. Okay, and next ensures to select the POF and FTS that you want to board and click the confirm button at the bottom. Okay, and clear, double confirm the NFT informations and corresponding rewards for the bond first and then click the confirm button to proceed with accurate informations. And next, boarding buff and FTS on the BNB chains will requires corresponding reward as below. Okay, migrations rewards to BNB chains, PUF NFT holders and PUF NFT types and requirements, IGO point rewards and PUF tone points. Okay, everyone. Uh, please double check your rewards amounts and valid addresses, then click insert to proceed. And enter your poof tones as associated email addresses that you want to your poof tones points to be added. Point to be added and click confirms to continue. If you have downloaded and registered from the poof tone app yet, click here to view puff tools download and registrations tutorials. Okay, after reviewing your puff tone account information, click the confirms button to proceed. At the points you can see your Poptones account's name. Once you have double confirms its accuracy, click the approve buttons below to grant approvals. And click the approve buttons to approve the current. There might be a service approval, and you have to approve them all to make sure that transactions goes through because you have selected multiple collections at the same time. Okay, and click the confirms button in the Mats Mask pop-up window for approvals. Allow access to and transfers of all your pop geniuses and confirm After the successful approval, click confirms to Born NFTs. Click the confirms buttons in the MetaMask pop-up windows to pay the corresponding gas fee for NFT Born. Okay, and uh, and please wait potentially for the transactions to be completed. When you see the page below, you have successfully burned the selected proof NFTs on the BNB chains of your choice. Okay, if you want to burn more proof NFTs on the BNB chain, you can click burn more to repeat the above process. And if you want to check your IGO points, you can click check May IGO points, and it will be direct you to the activity page. You can also check your IGO point after May 15 May Pop Tones app upgrade. Switch off Ethereum's after entering NFT and Born in interface. Please continues with the Born procedures after the network is switched to Ethereum's, and it ensures to select the POF NFTs in Ethereum that you want to burn and click the confirm button at the bottom. Double confirm NFT informations and corresponding rewards for the burn first, and then click the confirms button to proceed with accurate information. And born puff NFT on Ethereum will acquire corresponding rewards as below. Note that the memberships certificate uh, will be distributed after the NFT born in several business days. Migrations reward Ethereum puff NFT holders. And how to check your IGO points? You can check your total IGO points amounts on the official websites, Puffwords, and the Puffstone app. Check the Puffwords websites, enter the official websites. Uh, Enter the official websites of Power Switch the network Ronins and click connect wallet at the up. Get user, welcome join my live channel. How are you today? Click on the map icon located on the bottom right corner of the official website to access the puff map interface. Okay, click the activity button in poof map to access the activity, interact, or just enter the activity page here. And please make sure that you can connect it to the Roin networks or sale. Please switch to the Roinin networks at the super right commerce of the website. Okay, and check out on the Puffon web app. Launch the Puffon app and click the valid sections at the bottom of the page. Click chain to the top of the wallet interface. The switch to the chain wallet. If you have not want to change wallet addresses to your get user, welcome, hello, hi. Click 1GO. Uh, Click tokens points to overview the IGO points distributions and detailed informations about the various IGO point equation ways. Okay, and IGO token points. Thank you so much. Appreciate me. Get user. Welcome. Okay, next discuss about powers. Okay, about powers is revolutions the mobile casuals gaming landscape by seamlessly interesting integrations web 3 technologies to drive mass adoptions. Okay, and power is also multi into interactive universe with characters and entities, just allowing players to experience different content in different sceneries using their characters. This page is not fun. Uh, Looking for does not. Okay. Characters get to know all the buffers pete. Okay, our dinosaurs hatchet by a Mastorius Arc converts in a green purples with the sharp clubs and a choppy body. He saves the Pinces when she was haunted and undersigned by the Morguville evil group. Okay, and Cloud, muscular cloud to choose mothers is white cloud grew up in the white cloud group. He had been warning for his origins for years and decided to leave the house in search of their furthers. He can into the demons king's castles with circumdempty. Okay, I see. And extra terrestrials shooting stars dropping off in front of clouds who come from a highly advanced Milky Way clusters with the ability of propagations. Okay. With hearts, guides, clouds, regards, criticals, presentations of Mr. B and his behaviors. Okay, and next, Bill Duck, and Bill Duck, PFVS and V Puff. PFVS and V Puff are both important tokens in the Puffverse ecosystems, and they are closely related to each others. Okay, PFVS is used as circulating tokens for major bids and scenarios throughout the Puffverse, allowing users to consume PFVS, each such as for PuffGo, phases punching to joins, PuffGo, Legio for game, Pro for UGC, editing for clouding gaming powers purchasing. Okay, purchasing etc. Token details. Total supply 1 billion contract addresses to be updates are healthy and will arranged economics models in the key for products developed in the long run. PFBS has a complete closed loop economics models with the output stack bond and buyback for ensuring the long terms and stable development of powers. ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਚਾਰਜਿੰਗ ਤੇ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਬੰਦ ਹੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਥੋੜੀ ਦੇਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਵੱਡੇ ਇਹ ਬੰਦ ਹੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਪਰ ਦੇਖੀ VPUF is the government's tokens in Puffers, which is primarily acquired by stacking your PFVS tokens. Okay, and what is V puff for voting governing powers in puff DAO. Number 2, contributing to the ecosystem by stacking. Why is the get by V puff log PFVS to get VPUFF by the ratio of 100 one join PuffGo game or contribute to the Puffverse ecosystems to win VPuff. Special attributes. VPuff is non-transferable and non-tradable. WebPuff has lock-in periods in the form of orders and can convert it to PFVS in the ratio of 100%, 100 once after the lock-in period is over. Okay, and we puff older book mode and book mode and VPuff productions. The amount of VPuff and the lock-in periods powers with time you based liners decrease. Uh, Order period 1 month 4 weeks, 3 months 12 weeks, 6 months for 24 weeks, 12 months 48 weeks, 24 months 96 weeks, 48 months 192 weeks. Stacking and stacking, as mentioned about the PEFPS tokens, can stack as more and more user participates in the ecosystem. The Puffverse platforms automatically rewards VPuff holders for their contributes to the ecosystem. Number one, part of the trading fee from the token swap to be launched, part of the creator free from the NFT market, 100% of the redemptions fee from users unlocking their PFVS tokens before the lock-in period is over, 20% of the income from PuffGo gas sales, and the early stacking reward offers by Puffers, part of the income from Puffers, part of the economic income in USDC as and part of the AAP net profit in flat and flag stacking rewards program of geniuses boost up and penalty for failings to reach the lock-in period and powers uh, ways to get powers when generating VEPUF, users are required selected specifies lock-in periods. The longer the lock-in periods, whilst the greater the power. Specials attributes powers will increase linearly over time. The more powers, hold, the greater the rewards eligible. Puffs NFTs. The main NFT that services as the cross assets and power is called Puff. And next, Puffs. PUFF Puffs. The characters in the Puffers have it parts head or upper body, lower body, face pattern, skin colors, background, and facial expressions. And each NFT assessed in unique with a random combinations of these 10 parts 8 parts, sorry, 8 parts. Okay, Puff Juniors and Benefits Rights Plague and Puff Limited Editions NFTs and Puff Classic and Puff General Puff Tickets. Okay. Mind close early bird round, regular registrations round, and free minute geniuses lottery and free minute timelines I use for Puffco alpha versions. Puffco Royal Party Games accounts registrations, common tutors, uh, download registers, avatars from check yours info, play using game characters, play using NFT, and next. Download registers, register using emails, and you must enter your email address, passwords, and verification codes to your email address to create a new account. Okay, registers using Google third party login and an email and click the verification scores in your email and even enter currently aviators and ARAM. How to change your aviators. All players are able to change their game aviator freely. Unlock aviators. How to change your in-game game frame. Check your info. PuffGo app offers comprehensive game experience for players to play with multiple characters and NFTs. Please app select NFT they want to use. Join the matches in the partners panels. Play using game character NFT. You can select puff characters to join entry levels and high levels. Click partners in the bottom right control corner of the Puffco app and select puff characters in role to start. Uh, this time is this page is not open. Next. Okay, next. Daily Crypto. How are you today, Daily Crypto? Welcome, join my live channel. Get.io Labs Investment. Uh, I'm fine, and you? I'm fine. Okay. Gay.io Lab investment disclosures. Gay.io Labs has participated in the investment of powers important nodes launch project are blockchain startups in their early stages, and there's may be significant risk related to project operations underlying technology. Thank you so much. Appreciate me, Daily Crypto. Thank you. And regularity involvement understanding blockchain startup and using there's inherent risk requirement. What are the entry levels for BTC and Ethereum? Ethereum price today is entry levels 2000 to 2500 above cross the Ethereums. Okay. Due to the technical regularity market and other factors, the price of the projects your participants in the may fluctuate significantly, potentially crossing increasingly determinedly Barasiluro. You are crossing it. Uh, and due to technical regularity market. Cryptocurrency projects are high risk with high price volatility. Thank you so much, Brazilo. Join my live channel. How are you today? Uh, cryptocurrency projects are high risk with high price volatility projects. Teams do not provide margins guarantees or any price promises or guarantees against the price drop. Please assures you you fully understand and can bear the risk before participating. The platforms in strongly advised quotations but cannot assume responsibilities for guarantees or the competitions related to investment activities. uh, Varasizlo, thank you so much. In case of any descriptions between the translated versions in the English and original English version shall prevail. And Gay.io reserves the right final interpretations user from the UK and other regulations may not be able to access all or parts of the services. For details informations on uh, uh, before zero, welcome to my live channel. How are you today? Services. For details information on distributed irrigation, please refers to the user agreement. Okay. And gateway to crypto trade over 3800 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily. Gate.io take actions now. Sign up and claim to up 10,000 in welcome. Brazilo, invite friends and earn 40% commissions and stay connected. Visit Gate.io official websites, download the Gate.io app, this app, follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses, or join our Telegram commented uh, community to discuss its trading topics, engaging with our global community for the latest insights, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof results. Okay, and next. FAQ, Gate.io Launchpad. FAQ, what is Gate.io Launchpad? Launchpad, Gate.io Launchpad is an innovative tokens launch platforms. It gives you early access to high potential crypto projects, allowing you to source your support in the next being launched by subscribing with tokens and getting in before the rest of the market. And how to participate in Gate.io Launchpad. Login, head to the Launchpad, select project and click subscriptions. What tokens can I use? Subscribes. Most projects accept GT, USDT. Check projects details for specifies. Will my fund be unlocked after subscribing? Just once your subscriptions. Get users welcome. Jomi, welcome, join my live channel. Good evening. uh, yes, once your subscriptions is confirmed, the funds will be temporarily locked. If your subscription is successfully uh, the corresponding amounts will detect it. It will uh, it will temporarily locked. If your subscription is successfully, the corresponding amounts will be detected. And how are tokens allocated after the subscriptions? Thank you so much. Send me UID. Thank you. Barasilo Barasilo. How to tokens allocated after the subscriptions, and tokens are distributed based on your contribution as a percentage of the total funds and uh, funds raised. Get user, welcome join my live channel. After the corresponding high correspondences and token distributed based on your contributions as percentage of the total funds raised. How many tokens will I get? Your allocations depends on your contributions as a percentage of the total funds raised. Examples: if our projects distributes 10,000 tokens and you contribute 1% of the total funds, you will shall receive 10,000 multiple 1% 100 tokens is here cap how many tokens I can receive. Some projects may have maximum allocation limits. Check specifies project details for more information. So, okay, how is the introduced amounts calculated token price? The nose, welcome join my live channel. How is the detected amount calculated? Token price, fundraising target, total tokens issued, detected amount, tokens received, token price, and can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? If the allocated tokens less than 0 point sorry yes, as long as you meet the subscription uh, requirements, you can subscribe to multiple projects. The same projects also allows multiple stacks interest. Why did I receive any tokens after successful subscription? The allocated tokens are less than 0.00001 at decimal places. The systems will consider the subscription successfully, and your funds will be full refunded to your sport account. Okay. Launchpad participations in how to participate in Gate.io Launchpad. Log into Gate.io and visit the Launchpad page. Type Aaron uh, Launchpad. Choose the projects you are interested in and click comment now. Enter the amount you want to contribute to confirm user subscriptions, view your subscriptions history and subscriptions history web and uh, app launched launched be early to the next big tokens project and XRP and Iran comment no and join soul subscriptions comment no and subscription successfully continue okay. Risk warning: the Launchpad project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operations and underlying technology of the projects and all the related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Advanced technicals and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto research investment. The volatility of market is high and the price of tokens might fluctuate drastically due to technicals, regulatory, and marketing factors. etc. Users may not be able to withdraw LV purchase tokens due to technical issues of the project or Gate.io. Uh, Cryptal holding USDT 0.0.2 and Keper subscriptions 10,000. Continue? No. And participations qualifications holding 1 USDT spot assets requires for participations trading purchased trading no purchased GT and deposit no. Okay. Okay, guys, my project is ended. So take care and Allah Hafiz.